YouTube? Back at it again with another video. It's been a couple days. Yeah, let's see what we got going on here. Look at that. That is a clean looking door. It's a little yellow. Clear coat's coming off just a bit, so I'm gonna have to do some paint work on it, but got ourselves a door. Gotta slam it a little bit too. Oh yeah, I'm messing with these hood risers. I'm gonna say, nah, not gonna rock them. Gonna take them out. Was just curious, you know how it is. Maybe if I was running an H series and a big giant turbo manifold under there, then maybe I'd use that to extract some heat, but I think it looks a little goofy. But yeah, this is the first time I'm seeing my car in the daylight with no real body damage. God, it's been about 2 years, almost, of owning this car. And I remember when I went to go pick it up, I was like, oh my God, this thing is so clean, it's so clean, oh my God. And then I got to the passenger side door and I was like, ah. And he was like, yeah, my friend, he backed into it. And I was like, oh, that sucks, dude. So ever since then, I still bought it because I was like, oh, it's just a door. The rest of the car is clean. So ever since then, I've always been like, man, my freaking door. But yeah, dude, man, so clean. All right, so yeah, actually I do have to adjust it a little bit. I'm getting a little picky here, you know. I'm happy that it doesn't have a dent on it. I'm pretty much just take it just off that fact, but guess I'll do a little work to get it a little straighter, get it a little cleaner. Couple of valuable things to know. For anyone who's gonna swap a door on a early 4th gen that has the automatic seat belts, this is vital. I couldn't find this anywhere, guys, so pay attention if you need this information. So I've got a 1990 and my seat belts are these automatic ones, right? Well, the door that I picked up from the junkyard was from a 1993 or a 92. And basically what happened was I had to change out the bracket, the door hinge. The non-powered, or I shouldn't say non-powered, the regular seatbelt version of this car just has this one little pigtail. But so I swapped everything in the door over. I'm talking the door handle and everything. It took me a little bit, but I get the whole door together and I was getting the seatbelt light flashing and blinking like not its normal. It's like beep 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 beep, and I was like, oh geez, what's going on? And it turned out that I needed the hinge off of my other door because there was a pigtail that wasn't connected. So once I connected that, got power to the power side seat belt, and yeah, it works now, guys. Let's see. Give you a little demo. So, bam. All right, and window, and I can open it. So cool. Yeah, that's awesome. So, God, I replaced everything, guys. There's so much to say. So this rubber piece that lines the window track, dude, that thing is sketchy to get out and put back in. I didn't think I was gonna be able to do it. Basically what I did was I rolled the window all the way down, and then I just picked this out, and then I just like pulled it and slid it off of the rail down there. And then to install it on my new door, I just had to do a lot of finagling of rolling the window up and down and sliding it down the track. Inevitably, the thing that really helped me was I slid that thing down as far as I could so I could see a little piece in there. I just reached my door up into the hand, or into the in the inner door, and I just grabbed that rubber piece here that was, you know, a little bit down here, and I just pulled it slowly and I slid it along this track. I guess I'm surprised nothing I'm surprised nothing was too hard. The only thing that sucked was the door handle, the inner door handle. Getting that little rod off was just annoying. But, dude, I could definitely do it again if I needed to, and now I know how to take everything apart on the Accord door, so that'll no longer be a blocker for any future projects. I think I still got to get up in there because I don't think I screwed the rod down where it needs to be to open this door, because if you don't open it all the way, then it won't like release the mechanism, and then if you close it, it'll just go dunk like you guys just saw it do. So that'll be a little thing. But man, overall, I mean, look at this thing. I got like a little dent down here to pick out, a little bit here, a little key mark. Nothing too crazy. You got to get up to it and check it out. Otherwise, my other door was just like, man, I hate when you have a good side, right? Whenever I saw like someone in a sick ass car and they saw this side, I was like, yeah, what's up? And then whenever I was rolling around, I saw someone and I was on this, and they were on this side, I was like, ah, man, don't look at my dent, bro. But yeah, what a mission. What a mission, you guys. Not too bad. It was more of a mission to find the door. Yeah, finding the door was harder than doing the work. But I would say the door handle, this chrome trim that goes on the top of the door, that's difficult. The window rails with the rubber trim, that's hard. Getting the pigtails through this stupid ass hole and down up and in there was kind of annoying, but hey man, at the end of the day, bam, got ourselves a cool looking little whip. So I gotta head out to about three hours away this weekend. So I wanted to get this thing all wrapped up. Yeah, I'm really excited about it. What do you guys think? Picked it up for $2,000, cleaned up the body. Now what's it worth? Like what, 65? What's that? No, I'm just kidding. This modern day market though, real clean one of these, I don't know, dude. Might go up in value a lot more than I think. All right, well, I'm gonna pull this thing into the garage and carry on with my day. I got a whole bunch of work to do, so all right, I'll catch you guys on the next one. That's the update on the door. Peace out.